Hey guys, I'm Robbie. Gotta do a bike check today. First we gotta get my bike. Sounds like shit. But alright, well this is my bike check, of course. Sunday, second wave. Alright, well from the front we got the shadow bars, 9 rise. You know, keeping it straight. Got some stolen grips. My ODIs wore out, so I just threw these ones on, so they're extras. You got the animal bar ends, red. I don't care, I'd rather have bar ends. Shadow attack stem, lime green. It was free, so hey, why not? I got the FSA Impact headset, just a stupid stock headset, I guess. And we got the Odyssey Director forks. Just got those about a couple months ago. I love them. My front tire, we got the KHE Mach 2 Dirt. And then the rim's just a stock rim from my old bike. Nothing big about that. In the middle, Odyssey pedals. Always run them. I love them. We got the Ezra Geist cranks. I love those too. Yeah. Stolen Eternity ring, or chain wheel. It's bent now because it's old. And the Shadow chain. And then for the seat, got the Shadow Crow, the blue stitching, along with the animal wedge post. Nothing big deal about that. And for the back, you got the KHE tire again. And then this back wheel is a Primo. Placed to a Madera hub with Primo spokes and some pink nipples. I love it. It's so much better than my last wheel. Bent piece of shit Shadow one. But that's about it.